Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. Guess what? Another face-up sheet. I'm so excited to premiere these. Look at these cute face-ups. There is a hippie girl with some peace sign sunglasses, a garden girl with carrots and strawberries in her hat band, and a little hen trowel here. Two flapper girls. Aren't they cute? They're going to be darling with magazine collage bodies. A Victorian woman and man. He's got a cane, she's got a fan. A cute girl with a bird that has nested in her messy bun. Look at this beautiful girl. Oh, so pretty. A jester. Look at that funny court jester. That would make a great art journal page. And a nurse. So the first step, of course, is to cut all the faces out. So I'm starting to fussy cut out my beautiful little images here. And then I like to take a pen and go around the edges so I don't have any white edges. So I get rid of those. And then the next thing is to come to my nice stash of magazine bodies. This is my drawer or my little box that has magazine bodies, and I'm starting to go through and look for bodies to use these face-ups on. And look at those. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so cute. I love it. So that's what you do first, is cut them out and then find a magazine body. On the hippie girl, because I've drawn the hair all completely down, I did that so that you could put that long hair behind an image, and let me show you what I mean. So I've taken an X-Acto knife and I went around her chin with an X-Acto knife, just around this, and then I took it and did it straight down like this. And the reason for that, see, you can see I've gone around the chin, and then I've got the hair like this. You don't have to do that. You could just go around the chin and then tuck this onto a body. The reason I did this is then I can put some hair in the front and some hair in the back. Let me show you. So say I was going to use this one, and I just might. When I trim out a body out of a magazine, what I like to do is find an image where the hair of the person in the magazine doesn't go over the dress. So this would be a perfect image to use because the hair is behind. And I cut up to the neck and then just go straight up and over. Sorry to this pretty lady I'm cutting up, but that's what happens when you do magazine collage. And then I end up with this nice body just like this. So here's my hippie girl, and I can tuck this head onto this body, and it could be just like that, which is so cute. Love it. And then I also could go like this, and I always like to glue them chin to chin. So here's the chin of the girl underneath, and if I put the chin in place of the face up, it shows exactly where to put the head on the neck. So here's what it would look like with hair in the front and hair in the back. Kind of cute. I like that a lot. You could do that with this braid too. Here's this little braid over here. If I cut straight up and make that separate, so you can be very versatile with these. Then I can have her long hair in the back, her braid in the front, and her hair and braids on this side. Look how cute that is. This is the outfit I've decided for the nurse, and I think I'm really gonna love that. I think she looks really sweet. And what I want to do is for the little syringe that's gonna go in her hand. So what I'm gonna do is to just take my X-Acto knife, and I'm gonna cut a slit. This is the fun part about collage. You can do anything and piece things together, and now I'm just going to take it and stick it through like this. So it looks like she's holding it in her hand. And that's how she looks. I love it. That looks so cool. Ready to go on an art journal page. Here's the Victorian lady's head, and I found this in the Food Network magazine from 2019. I love that dress. Look how elegant she's going to look. Like that. Perfect. I love it. So I'm going to cut that out, and I'm going to, of course, cut away and remove that black hair. So I've cut out the body, and I had a hand with a glove, and I've kind of just trimmed it down a little bit. So I'm going to have it holding the fan, and then put the hand and the glove over her arm, so she'll be holding the fan like that. So what I thought I would do is, since her hat is like a periwinkle purple, I'm going to add some color to the fan, and I'm going to just use an Arteza brush pen and then just add some purple color to this fan. I love these Artezas. They are so fun to just tint things, and I can add some purple to it without it being too solid. I love that. And then it goes with her hat. So see, now it matches her hat. And then I'll probably put a purple bow on her waist to tie in the dress with the hat and the fan. So much fun. I mentioned before, I try to stay away from images that have the hair in front like that. I really want to use the girl with the updo with the bun and with the bird on this dress. I just love that she has an earth on her shirt and just her stance. I just love everything about it. So what I'm going to do is to tint this hair to match this hair, and I'll show you. So see how on this particular one, when I put the face up over the image that has the hair hanging down, it really goes and it just looks like hair that's in the back, or she maybe pulled it this part up on top and left some hanging at the bottom. So I love it, I really do. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this out, leaving the hair in place on this one. So here she is. I love the outfit, and I love her leaning up against that wrought iron fence, so I left that in, that wrought iron gate. And then what I'm going to do is take an Arteza brush pen. These work great for tinting magazine images. So let me just kind of zoom in a little here. And her hair is a little bit more brown than this hair. This is a little more blondish. So I'm going to just take this Arteza brush pen and change up the color of the hair. They tint magazine images so awesome. And no, I'm not paid by Arteza. I just have products that I love, and I love to tell you. Look at that. So that just changed that up, and then I can come back in and add maybe a little touch more to her hair up here. Make it a little bit darker in a few places. Maybe underneath the bun. There. Look how cute that is. Love it. Next I'm using this pretty image. I love this beaded dress, and Miss Giselle Bonchin, the model, and I probably pronounced her name wrong. I'm going to trim this out. She's sitting, and I'm going to trim all that away because I have an idea for having her sit on something else on my art journal page. So that's what I'm going to use this flapper girl. Look at how cool she's going to look on this image. Love it. So sorry, Giselle. I found this cute overall outfit in Elle magazine, and I think that will be perfect for the garden girl. So I'm going to trim those out, and even though this leg is covered, I'm going to just do a collage of something over it that's garden related. Here they are so far. I'm enjoying putting them on magazine images and doing collage to make the characters. And now it's time to make some art journal pages.